Hello, my name is Maddox Greenspoon. I'm currently a student at Gull Lake who is currently taking computer science, software, and engineering. I will be showing you some stuff I learned with Linux Command Line Interface, so let's get right into it. Alright. We're gonna move in faster. So, ls lists all your files directories. Boom, like that. Got all of them there. cd takes me into a directory, so cd documents. Boom, I'm in here. And let's get me out of, and then let's print the current directory. pwd, boom, prints directory. Alright, continuing onwards. We got mkdr, which will make a new directory. So, alright, let's do this here. mkdr zombies. Boom, zombies directory is made. It's inside documents. Now, let's make a new file. Touch brains. Boom. Brains zombies have been made. Remove directory, which will remove an empty directory. So rm dir zombies, boom, it's gone. And then rm brains, boom, it's gone. Yay. Okay. Moving on, we got mb, which will moves or renames files. So let's make another thing. mkdir zombies. So let's rename it to ghouls. MB zombies to ghouls. And now, boom, look in here. Our zombies have become ghouls. Moving on, let's go on to move it to a different directory. So let's do mv ghouls into downloads, and now it's gone. So we're gonna head out here, cd out of here, ls, let's go cd downloads, and then cd ghouls. Oh, my mistake. Should be in here. Alright, we'll check it this way. CD downloads. My mistake. I accidentally renamed it to downloads. Let's try that again. Okay. As you can see, by the way, this is the terminal's just interacting with the file explorer. Well, we do stuff in the terminal, because some of the stuff we can do in the terminal, we can't do in file explorer. So let's try that again. Alright, so cd back. Alright, let's make a new directory. Alright, so mkdr zombies ls. Now we have the zombies, and let's move it into documents. So mv zombies into documents. Boom, ls, gone. cd documents, and then pwd, and then cd zombies, which should be in here now. And there we go. It's in there. Now, moving on to cat, which displays the contents file. So let's just make a quick file here. So let's do that. So here we go. Touch, we're gonna call it brains. Touch brains. Oh. Touch brains. There we go. Remind me later. Alright, touch brains. ls. Boom, we have brains. Alright, now let's do cat brains. Nothing came up. Well, looks like we can't see anything in there. So, wait, we want to see stuff in there though. So let's go a bit deeper with the nano command, which will open up a text file editor inside the terminal. So we'll do nano brains. Whoa, look at all that. Now, we are actually going to make like a whole list in here. Watch this. What we're going to do to actually put some stuff in there is we're going to put a list of names. Here are 20 zombie names I generated from ChatGPT, but we're gonna use 5. So, gonna paste that. Oh, sorry about that. And we are going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this down. And Control Shift V. Boom. Got all those zombie names, or yeah, zombie names in there. And then we're going to do Control X, I think. Control X. Say yes. And then should press enter. And that should be all good. Cat brains. Hey, look at that. All of our names. Now when we look up the file brains, we got all of our brains. Roderick, Grammy Greg, Peter Pete, all of these guys. Next thing we're doing is XDG open. So, where we will be opening this this file where we open the brains file. So, XDG dash open brains. Ooh, look at that. This is opening the whole little document with all of the names and stuff, all the brains and names and stuff. So, yeah. From here, we are actually going to be adding users to these. So let's take, I don't know, 3 names. Roderick, Grammy Grad, Peachy Pete. So, yeah, we're going to take these 3 names. And what we are going to be doing is, let me show you here. Add user. So we're going to be adding a user. So we're going to do sudo add user, and then we need their username. So let's look here. All right, Roderick. Sudo username Roderick. Boom. Password. Oh, what? The user rotter does not exist. Oh, wait. Give me one moment. Oh, I think my mistake was I used a space, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, he's entering. Hold on. I believe I found the issue. We are not the root. So in order for us to do this, we must be the root. So, su, dash, and... Okay, well that was weird. I guess it didn't like Roderick, so we're gonna have to just use Rick. I guess be warned that when doing this, you have to be in the root, and for whatever reason, not all names will work. Well, okay. Let's keep going. We have Rick. All right, new password. 1, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now let's try this again. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about this warning. You can do whatever password you want. It's just a warning. 1, 2, 3. Boom. We're using just a simple password because just for the demonstration, I would use a good password for that. And of course, don't show anyone. All right, full name, Roderick. Room number. Oh, my mistake. I remember why this doesn't work. You are supposed to use all lowercase letters, no spaces. That was my mistake. That's what you're supposed to do here. All right, and then room number. We'll just say. I mean, I don't know. Default. We'll just move on. Work phone. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Other. Yeah. Yes. And we should have a whole new user to the system. So what we're going to do from here is get int group, which will show everything. Get int group. Boom! We got Rick. Roderick right there. Yep. Nice. Okay. Now let's make 2 more guys. So the proper way we do it now. All right, we're in our root. We'll do sudo add user lowercase. We're just gonna type in Greg. Boom. Look at us, such a pro now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to be doing grimy Greg. Boom. Bop, 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 bop. Yes. Another one. Sudo add user. Pete. Or also for a putrid Pete. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Putrid Pete. And bop, 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 bop. Yes. Get tent group. And we have all of our guys right there. Look at that. Nice job. So yeah, be warned. Yeah, when you're doing this, make sure you make sure all that stuff's lowercase. No, and you won't have. And you're in the root. Make sure you're in the root, and you won't have any issues. All right. Now, moving on. I will show you how to add. I will show you how to create and add users to a group. So let's do that. So sudo group add, and what should we call these guys? So they're a bunch of zombies. We're gonna call them well, we're gonna do like a restaurant for brains. So, well, of course, in a restaurant we need a receptionist, or actually no, we need waiters. So sudo group add waiters. Boom, get int group, and now we have a group of waiters. So what else do we have in this restaurant? Sudo group add well, you need the manager, obviously. So boom, get int group, and now we have a manager. And then sudo group add, we need a chef. So get int group, and now we have all our guys. We have the waiters, the manager, and the chef for our zombie restaurant. Now I will be showing you how to add a user to the group with sudo user mod. So we do sudo user mod -ag, the group name. So we're gonna add Rick to the waiters. So group name waiters, and then Rick. So let's look at that. Get int group waiters Rick. Waiters now is Rick. So let's do that again. Let's put Greg as the manager. Putrid, so sudo user mod -ag manager. You can press tab to autocomplete, and now we just press Greg. Boom, get int group. Look at that, he's in there. And then we finally have Putrid Pete as the last guy. So we'll do sudo user mod -ag. Oh, actually, I forgot to do this, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you can instead of typing it all out like guy was, if you press the up arrow, you can just bring it all back. So instead of manager, chef, and then we do Pete as our chef. Boom, get int group, and we got all of our guys in their respective groups. We got Rick as the waiters, Greg as the manager, and chef, and Pete as the chef. Yep. Moving on, I will now show you how to delete a group. So let's do this. It's very simple. Just sudo. Oh, sorry about that. Sudo group delete, and then the group name. So let's get waiters out of here. Bye bye. Let's look at that. Get int group. Now there's no more waiters, and then sudo delete manager. Boom. Oh, get int group. Boom, no more manager, and then sudo delete chef. And no more chefs. Just Rick, Greg, and Pete. All right. Well, I have that's basically what I learned in my computer science software engineering class. It was start with that little oopsie with adding users. Make sure to when you do that, there it's all lowercase and you're in root. Um, Overall, thank you for taking the time to watch my introduction to all this. Thank you for taking the time to uh, watch this video and tutorial on and on what I learned in computer science software engineering class. Have a good one.